Hello, everybody. I'm Philippe Flamand. I'm the Managing Director for Draka Fileca.
Draka Fileca is the business unit that serves aerospace industry, operating under the flagship of Prysmian, the worldwide leader of cable manufacturing. Industrial excellence for us means many things. Starting, of course, with the safety of people working for us or just visiting. Safety is much more than a priority for our group. It's also about the quality of our product and services and the commitment we make to deliver on time or even ahead of schedule when it's necessary for our customers. It's also about long-term, high-quality industrial base, efficient and cost-effective, that is also able to adapt to meet growing needs without compromising on process robustness. Finally, operational excellence means employee commitment and the desire to do things right the first time, and much more than that.